we are an IT organization, right? And everything that we do is related to technology, right? So in my own experience, I moved from telecom to IT. In telecom, I had seen telecom coming very close to IT. So that's the shift that I experienced in telecom. Now I'm part of IT for last 3 years. And these last 3 years, for me are equal to last 10, 12 years in telecom. So that's the speed of change that is happening. Even in our session today, we heard a lot about robotics, BI, analytics, AI. I think that is going to be part of the whole industry or environment that we'll operate. The only thing is, when these things comes first, these are always seen as disruptors, right? Now, it will be very soon that they will become enablers, and they have to become enablers for us. So that's how we are treating them. At an organization level, we have a 3 to 5 year term vision, which we call Vision 2020. Some of the existing discussion might challenge that, that why you have a 5-year vision or a 3-year vision. But that's how we work towards a longer term goal, and we have broken it up into phases. So within that, we are working with our talent strategy, right? So where do we want to reach in terms of talent of the organization, and which is where all these things are figuring out. So what is our skill set right now? What kind of skill sets do we need for future? What will we bring it from the market in terms of acquisition? What we will develop internally is what we are looking at. So that's how we are working towards the whole shift in technology.